One very important question I would like to pose, that you have been to the world, right? Many countries and many, you see, the dream cities across the globe, the people, they want to be there, they want to see there. And yes, you, mashallah, go quite often to Makkah Mukarramah and Madina Nabi. What can you talk about the difference you have seen and what message you would like to give across?
Speechless.
Allahu Akbar.
Makkah Pak and Madina Munawwara, there is no comparison all around the world. I've been in all around the world. I saw different parts of the world, and I've been there in Europe, in UK, in America, in Canada, we can say in Africa. But Makkah Pak and Madina Munawwara, subhanallah, beautiful places. When you see the countries and cities, beautiful cities, then you think that, okay, I already seen this, so go to next journey, go to next destination. But whenever you go in Makkah Pak and Madina Munawwara, even the 100 and 1,000 times, every time you
want to go again.
Yeah, you want to go again and again. As Ala Hazrat said, "Sharbate deed ne ik aag lagayi dil mein. Tapashe dil ko badhaya hai, bujhane na diya." So always increasing the love, alhamdulillah. And if you watch Makkah Pak and Madina Munawwara on screen more and more, but when you be in front of Kaaba Musharrafa, Allahu Akbar,
that's a different experience.
Not be expressed in the word.
Subhanallah.
Actually, beautiful environment. You feel that, mashallah, blessings and rahmah are showering on Kaaba Musharrafa and Madina Munawwara. So. And alhamdulillah, there are so many ahadith. Actually, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam encourages us to go again and again, subhanallah, for Hajj. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Haji will intercede for his 400 family members and will be as free from sins as he was on the day he was born. Look at the blessing. 400 sinners of the family will be forgiven because of the Haji. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, the Haji is forgiven, and the one for whom the Haji asks forgiveness is also forgiven. So look at the blessings in that particular journey. And subhanallah, in another hadith, the summary of hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the gap between the umrah, the next umrah, it means that if anybody performs umrah and the gap between second umrah, in this gap, whatever sins he did, Allah tabarak wa ta'ala forgive that.
Subhanallah.
So look at the blessings. And for Madina Munawwara, subhanallah, only one hadith, is the marvelous masterpiece that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man zara qabri wajabat lahu shafa'at."
Subhanallah.
Whoever visited Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's Rawza grave, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I will intercede, I will give him shafa'at on the day of judgment. So look at the promise. So why the lover of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam don't want to go again and again over there? As Ala Hazrat rahmatullah ta'ala always encourages us. Ala Hazrat said that Mehraj ka sama hai, kahan pahunche zairon, कुर्सी से ऊंची कुर्सी इसी पाक दर की है। हाँ हाँ रहे मदीना है गाफिल जरा तो जाग, और पाँव रखने वाले ये जा चश्मो सर की है।